Welcome to AliExpress Insider. Check the description box below for the product link and more details. Looking for a lightweight and powerful cordless vacuum for everyday household cleaning? The INSE Cordless Vacuum Cleaner features 20 kPa suction power and a 40-minute runtime, making it ideal for quick cleanups or deep cleaning. With its 6-in-1 versatility, it can tackle multiple surfaces, from carpets to hard floors, ensuring your home stays spotless. Key features and benefits: 20 kPa powerful suction, ideal for both daily and deep cleaning. 40-minute runtime, long-lasting power for uninterrupted cleaning. 6-in-1 versatility, includes 3 different attachments for various surfaces. Lightweight design, only 3.5 pounds for easy maneuvering and handling. Removable roller brush and 1L dust container, easy to clean and maintain. Detachable washable filter, keeps suction strong and air clean. One-click emptying system, hygienic and easy disposal of dust and debris. 2 power modes, standard for daily cleaning, max for deep cleaning. Subscribe for more AliExpress product reviews.